KOKEN Ratchet Handle. KOKEN's ratchet handle with an oval-shaped head uses a cam switch mechanism. Its design features dogs to retain the central gear, supported by a right and left switching triangle-shaped cam. The springs supporting the independent right and left dogs have been designed smaller to achieve noticeably lighter turning of the gear. The SODH system dogs are located in the ratchet body. This ensures the dogs cannot fall out and that the springs are held securely in place. Also, as the torque force works toward vertical direction, the gear is supported by the dogs and ratchet body. High durability and light movement. KOKEN Ratchet Handle.